So this is just a quick video on how to create a QR code. We're going to navigate to YouTube, and from YouTube you can either use our own video that we've created or any YouTube video that you might find. So let's get there first. Alright, so on here we're just going to search for any video. We'll search for Oasis, because everybody loves Oasis, and bring up the video. Once you get on the video, just click on it. After we're going to do it and skip the ad, like so. Once you skip the ad, pause that there for a wee second, and then we're going to choose share. You'll find the share button just when you come down from the video. Find share on here, click on it, and simply copy that link. So the link will come up. Right click, choose copy. Now once you've got that done, you can close down this tab and simply open up again and find or navigate to goqr.me. So it's goqr.me. Once we get here, this is your wee QR creator. So you have to choose the globe if you're going to be using a link. Get your website address and come on here. Simply right click and choose paste. And that'll put that on there for you. Now sometimes when you get here, this not stored comes up, and you might have to click on that and then come back to this page before it'll do the wee live preview and create your QR code. But generally this will just come up. So this is your QR code that'll link directly to that video. You can choose to download it here. You can download it then as a JPEG image or PNG, and that'll allow you to print it out. Or you can choose to embed, and you can put it on any sort of social media, or you can put it on any lesson plans or lessons or handouts that you're going to use. So that's it. Easily done. Thanks.